Hey guys, it's Abel. We got a little bunny friend. That's a nice shady spot. How's it going, little guy? He was gonna run away from me and then he decided it's better to be in the shade. So back in the frontier days, they used to catch rabbit and eat it fairly often. The problem is, rabbit is so low in fat that if you continue to eat it, especially almost exclusively over periods of time, then you actually develop something called rabbit starvation, which is basically having way too much protein and not enough fat. And at a certain point, basically, you poison your own blood and you can die from it. So, if you're going to eat rabbit, make sure you fry it up in butter first. Just kidding, little guy, we would never do that.